Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5, stock number 6547. This ran from the 2nd 2013 to the 12th 2016. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard, no dents. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lip. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.